Today, I'm going to walk you through how to automate reminders in Asana by setting up powerful rules inside your projects. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to set up custom notifications like emails, Slack messages, or comments, so you and your team never miss an important deadline again. Let's dive in and streamline your workflow. First off, you want to start by navigating to the specific project where you need these reminders. So, open Asana and look for the project on your dashboard. Maybe it's your marketing calendar, your product launch timeline, or just your personal task list. Opening the right project ensures you're setting up automation in the area where it'll actually make a difference for you and your teammates. Once inside your project, look to the top right corner of your screen. You'll see the Customize button. Go ahead and click that. A side panel will slide out, and here's where you'll find the all-important Rules section. Click into Rules. This panel is basically the automation headquarters for your project, where you can handle virtually everything you want Asana to do automatically. Now, you're ready to add a new rule, which is really the heart of this process. Hit Add Rule. Think of this step like programming your own personal assistant. The rule listens for a certain situation and then acts for you. Next comes the trigger. This is what tells Asana, hey, it's time to send that reminder. For most reminder needs, especially around deadlines, you'll want to choose Due Date Approaching. This trigger is so helpful because it watches every task in your project and gets ready to nudge you or your team before important dates sneak up. With your trigger selected, now it's time to configure exactly when this should happen. Do you want a reminder 1 day before every task is due? 1 hour before? You get to set the lead time to fit your workflow. If you work on tasks day by day, a 1-hour warning might be perfect. For longer projects, maybe a 2-day heads up gives everyone time to prep. Don't worry if you need to experiment a bit. The timing isn't set in stone, and you can always adjust it later. Then, decide what action Asana should take when the trigger goes off. Actions are what make your rule truly useful. Maybe you want an email sent to yourself so you see the reminder in your inbox. Or, if your team lives in Slack, you can have Asana automatically drop a message into a designated channel. You could also have Asana add a comment inside the task, assign the task to someone new, or even reschedule the due date automatically. It's almost like having an invisible project coordinator who handles the nudges and notifications for you. If you want to get even more specific, you can add conditions. Say you only want reminders sent for tasks assigned to your lead designer, or only for tasks in your urgent section. Adding conditions ensures the rule fires exactly when you want. No more, no less. Almost done. Give your rule a clear, descriptive name like due date reminder, or send Slack alert 1 day before deadline. This makes it easy to find and adjust rules later, especially as your automation library grows. Finally, click Publish Rule to activate it. Just pause for a moment while Asana does its thing. Once published, your automated reminders are live and ready to help you and your team stay on top of all those deadlines. And that's it. You've just set up a smart reminder system in Asana, making project management that much smoother. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up, drop any questions you have in the comments, and subscribe for more practical productivity tips. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.